It's the year's biggest political entry, and we've been saying this every year except this year. Hopefully, it's actually going to happen, because as 2020 draws to an end, suspense is building around Rajinikanth's big political announcement. In the latest speculation swirling over the Makkal Seva Kachi, a new political party which was allotted the auto rickshaw pole symbol by the Election Commission for the upcoming elections in Tamil Nadu. The party had sought the two-finger pose called the Baba symbol, a mudra popularized by Rajinikanth in his 2002 mega hit Baba. The auto rickshaw also has extreme significance, connecting Rajinikanth to his blockbuster film Badshah. Pramod Madhav is live with us. He's been tracking all of these developments. Pramod, the Baba gesture or the Badshah auto rickshaw, two very iconic, unmistakable symbols that have a great deal of resonance, importance. They convey a lot. They are very, very symbolic. They are very meaningful, and they are instantly connected with Rajinikanth. What is the buzz over these two symbols? Could they be what Rajinikanth's party represents?
Absolutely, and one of the symbols, just as you mentioned, the Baba symbol is actually very close to Rajinikanth's heart, whereas the auto rickshaw is very close to his fans and entire state of Tamil Nadu, because Badshah, a blockbuster, brought him out as an auto rickshaw wala, and even now during every Ayudha Puja, in the state of Tamil Nadu, you will listen to non-auto current song playing across the state in one corner or the other. That is the significance auto rickshaw has, and in fact, certain fans we spoke to, where they're very clearly mentioning that either of the symbol would have been great, but they're much more happy that auto rickshaw has been acquired. Even though RMM Rajinikanth, nobody has confirmed it, fans have already started placing pictures that Namadistinam, which means our symbol is auto rickshaw. Now from Rajinikanth's team, they are very clear. They're just giving us 99% assurance. They don't want to say 100% assurance, because it seems that MSK, Makkal Sakti Kachi, apparently was a backup plan earlier. But considering the time frame and the time constraint, it looks like that could actually evolve into Rajinikanth's actual party. But they claim that it is always Rajinikanth who's the one who will make the announcement, and they are asking us to wait. Whatever the reason could be, Rajinikanth fans claim they are much more happy, and they are attaching themselves to the symbol auto rickshaw already.
Stay with me, Pramod. We've got some breaking news coming in.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.